Hey cookie friends, today I'm teeing up a cute little cookie that would be perfect for Father's Day. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So I've got some round sugar cookies here, and I'm just going to outline the top half and flood it in with a blue royal icing. My royal icing is about a 15-second consistency. And I know I said the top half, and this really is the top, but I've got my cookie turned so it's facing me, so it's just a little bit easier to see where my line of icing is falling. And I'm just going to go ahead and flood that in. And as I said, my icing is a 15-second consistency. If yours is not, you might not want to go all the way to the edge, but rather use a toothpick or a scribe to get your icing to the edge. But because my icing is thicker, I can go right up to that edge and I don't need to worry that it's going to overflow. And once I get it all flooded in, I'll grab my scribe and I'll just smooth it out just a little bit. You can also give it a shake. That makes it smooth out much faster. And then you have much less work to do with your scribe. And once everything's nice and smooth, I'm going to immediately grab my white icing and stick it right in that blue icing and just make a little cloud. It could be any little shape that you want. So it's just a little cloud right in that blue icing. And if your icing is 15 seconds like mine is, you might need to poke at it a little bit to get it to settle down. And then set that cookie aside to dry for at least 15 minutes. And then you can come back in with your green icing and do the same thing, outline and flood in the bottom 2/3 of the cookie. And once it's flooded in, use your scribe to get the icing to the edge and smooth it out and pop any air bubbles. And then set this cookie aside to dry completely. And once it's dry, I used an edible marker to make a hole for the golf ball to go into. And I just colored a dot there. And then I'm going to use my piping bag and touch down, lift up a little bit, and touch down again to make a line for the flag. And we can't forget the golf ball. So while that line for the flag is drawing, just make a little dot there for the golf ball. And then once the line for the flag has dried just a bit, you can go back in and add in your flag. And once again, use your scribe or your toothpick to shape the flag and get the icing nice and smooth. And then these cookies are finished. They're so adorable and so easy to make, and I'm sure Dad will love them, or anybody who's a golfing fan. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in cookie decorating. I have new tutorials all the time.